It's not really a how-to. It's just I'm about to change my taillights on this car. Let me know if you like these or the one I'm about to put on. But the one I'm about to put on is completely different than this. It's gonna pop more, you know? Makes me happy. Anyways, you can see what you think. If you like it, these just expired. The seal got messed up. Water gets in it, dust, everything. And let me show you. Dust, mad. Look at that. Mad dust got inside. Look at that. You see the halos getting dirty. Yeah, when it rains, water come down on this shit. Yo. Because I opened these twice already. So when you open these twice and you reseal it, it's not going to be as strong. Okay? So this just expired. My damn decal almost coming, like peeling off. So the new one, I did not put the decal on there. To be honest, I forgot to. I'm glad I did, because I don't want this to peel in there. Because the one I did is not going to leak, I hope. Because I sealed it. I opened it once and I sealed it. That's it. I'm not gonna open those again. Okay? So these, I'm open again to put in a new lens. Because this is expired. This is done. Come on, look at this. It looks good from far, but when you get up close, come on, bruh. Come on. So I'm about to switch this up. Next one, like I said, let me know if you like it or not. I like it. Just remember this. Remember those. Remember this setup. It's not gonna be different. It's gonna be the same thing, but little twist to it. You'll see. All right, let me show you, just in case you don't know how my taillights worked. Let me show you the red light. Yeah, so that would be the parking light. If you didn't know, that'll be a parking light, and that would be a signal too. Okay, then this is how it worked. Have all these features on there. That's my favorite one. Let me put a little. Let's see. Block size. This one right here is my favorite one. The gap. See. Toward them. It's my favorite one right here. I usually put on. You see that one, the strobe, this one right here. I don't know if people be mad behind me when I put these on. So yeah, this is how these work, man. That one is this one. It's right here. Yeah, so it's whole lot of other stuff on here. Shower, there's this one. So yeah, we're about to change that to something else. Same thing, like I said, same thing, but you'll see. All right, so this tail light, all you gotta do is push this back. There will be 3 8mm back there. Alright, put this back there. Okay. Now it's 8mm. 1, 2, and it's supposed to be 3 back there. Take those off, and the taillight should come out. I'm not touching none of these because it's a plug and play. Okay? Because I already have something set up here. All I gotta do is plug it in. And I'll show you what it looks like. As you see how this is cracking? Look at this. It's cracking. Let me take it off so you can see a closer look. Alright, let me take an 8. Okay. Boom. This is the ground, so I gotta be careful with that. Okay. Now let's take this off. Should come out easy. All right. Let me unplug this stuff. Guys, you see this thing went through it. You see? This shit's backing out. You see the plastic? That shit didn't even last. Like I told you, I opened these twice. You see that? Look, you see the opening? Sheesh. That's why the water was getting in. Look. Damn. And I thought I sealed these good. But like I said, when I cut these things, it went through it like butter. So I knew it was gonna happen eventually. But I prepared myself. Hopefully it don't happen to the new one. I'm gonna swap these over to better lens. I'm gonna still have these though. I don't know if I want to sell it. Probably not. I can't let these go, man. Look at the carbon design in there. There's no way. But anyways, let's get the other one so you can see. There you have it. Same design as under my hood, but I got the different design with the blood on there. It's dragging across instead of splattered. If you see my engine cover, you know what I'm talking about. Let me show you right now. Actually, let me show you. As you see, the blood is different on here. It's splattered on there. Yep. Alright, so let me put this on. Wire it up. As you see, I put my logo here because I wasn't trying to put it inside there. The next thing you know, it might peel off. So I'll just put it out here. It's gonna eventually fade. And I'll just peel it off, is what it is. Just a sticker. Anyways, yo, let me know what y'all think. Should I keep this or go back to this? Let me know. This one got 4 LEDs in it. Alright, so let me put this here, put the bolts on, wire it up, and you see how it looks. Okay, it's all done. Both sides are installed. So this is the new look I have now. I like it. It's not bad. The other one blends more because you know it was carbon, but this is I like this one. We got the 4 halos in there. Yes, sir. 4 halos in there. Yep. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, let me know if you like this setup, man. If you don't, whatever. I like it. I might go back. I might add another halo to the other one, so it could be 4 again. Cause I like this one better than just 1 halo. Not 1, 2 to be exact. Okay, so if you ain't subscribed yet, subscribe. All right, later.